My name is Darren Joseph from HTJ.tax, and we're the team that seeks to demystify the sometimes confusing world of international tax. And today we have the honor and privilege of having another conversation with Mark. Mark, could you introduce yourself?
I'm an advisor to the entire financial industry on CRS, FATCA, and CARF, and I've advised the OECD and the EU Parliament and the EU Commission and the German government, etc. All this is on my website for anybody to look at.
Fantastic. So today we want to focus on UK trusts and UK underlying companies when it comes to wealth management, and especially now when we're spoiled for choice. There's so many jurisdictions all over the world, but specifically within the UK, why choose England and Wales as jurisdictions for trusts and companies? Mark?
Okay, so trust started over 1,000 years ago when the knights went off to fight in Jerusalem. So England and Wales was the first place to set up these trusts. And so Ireland and Scotland came up later. So banks are also reluctant to maintain offshore accounts. So why choose England and Wales rather than the BVI? I know I've got many clients coming to me and say, banks with my BVI trust, especially in Hong Kong, etc., are getting me to close my account. So, but if you've got an England and Wales trust, it's prestigious. It's been going on for 1,300 years or whatever. So that's why I would choose it. With the UK companies, because we're not only talking about trust, the UK company, you get a TIN, a tax identification number. And some countries that don't apply taxes, income taxes, you don't get a TIN. And then you've got to put down on the due diligence, I don't have a TIN because this country doesn't apply taxes. And that will invariably lead to problems. Also on the FATCA forms. Okay, the UK is considered just and fair in the interpretation and enforcement of trusts. That's why I would be reluctant to use something else. And in the UK, you don't have any wealth taxes.
Not yet. Okay.
Thank you very much again for sharing your incredible insight. What's the best way for someone to find you or to reach out to you to get in contact?
My website, co-ownershiptrust.com, and then you'll find 850 articles.